These violent events are going on the sun and on the earth. We're looking at it from 8 light minutes away and we feel safe. Birds are singing. There is a new group of the sunspots visible now on the face of the sun, and I'm now going to observe it. Using the Skywatcher Startravel ST-AT is a 3.5-inch short tube telescope. I'm using also Cemex, Coronado Cemex 25mm eyepiece, which is again by Mead. And another set of eyepieces I will show you. Okay, Skywatcher 9mm, Morpheus 14mm, and a Barlow 2.25mm one. And the filter I will be using is I think it's an Orion filter. Yes, it's Orion Glass Solar Filter. This is a 4.57-inch solar filter. And this is the sunspot group I was talking about. Huge. The smallest of them is several times bigger than the Earth. And they cause huge geomagnetic disturbance in the coming days. And they already have done some because last time I saw them, they were just at the limb of the sun solar disk, but now we can see they are almost in the middle. They are in the near the polar regions of the sun. Now I'm using the 14mm eyepiece. You can see the shadow and half shadow part of the sunspots there. They have a very dark center and around them something we call penumbra or half shadow. And those areas that are exposed to the atmospheric distortion due to the sunspots, they release huge flares. If you look in the X-ray and gamma ray images, you will see huge flares rising. They are the magnetic field of the sun, which is slowing down the hot gases in those areas. And these are the images from the SOHO Solar Observatory and the orbit around the sun. And as you can see, these are X-ray and visible light and other wavelengths. I've rotated them so they match the view almost in my telescope. The sunspot groups is written there, but the numbers are twisted and flipped. And this is with the Skywatcher 9mm. Okay, I've shown you the video. This 14mm was not very good for observing the sunspot, I must say. I prefer that simple eyepieces that I have. This one definitely was not good on the disk of the sun. Looking at the sunspots. Cemex Coronado was good. That Skywatcher was good also. And yeah, I have another video which shows that how the eyepieces did really well. This is with the Pentax XW 10mm eyepiece. I have used all these eyepieces now, and I can say that 14mm Morpheus, Baader Morpheus, is not a match even for the Pentax XW. Pentax XW is something like a Plusol almost, as if you're using a Plusol but with a very good eye relief and bigger lens. I don't know why they're promoting for Morpheus. Morpheus is nothing like a Pentax XW. I think they just want to encourage people, if you cannot spend the money for Pentax or Teleview, just go for this cheaper but inferior one. If you are going for Morpheus, don't bother, go for a Plusol. Plusol is better than that.